She's crying for her. She's crying for her. She's crying for her. Anyone I offended, please forgive me, please. Please forgive. Forgive. If I offended you, please forgive me. Please, Ido. I'm an orphan. Please forgive me. Is it my destiny to suffer in this life? Is there anyone behind my predicament? There is no more joy.
Jesus.
Because nothing gives me joy.
Honey, see, how did this baby get here? How? Who?
Who could have kept this baby here?
Did you not say that anybody?
I swear.
Honey,
Carry the baby up first.
eh?
Carry the baby up. Did you notice anyone? No one around.
There's nothing of here.
Please, take care of this baby. Don't bother looking for me. Thanks. Helpless orphan.
Yeah.
Helpless orphan.
Wonder shall never end.
Honey,
Eh?
take baby inside.
Inside?
Yeah, sure. Take baby inside. Okay? Go inside.
Sorry.
Take baby inside. Inside. Yeah.
Did you send me the baby? My love, I'm confused. I'm confused. I don't know what to do because I've not seen such a thing before.
I am as confused as you.
Sorry.
But I'll suggest we keep the baby.
Huh?
Yeah, this is something we've been looking for more than 11 years. And I believe that God has decided to answer our prayer. Hey, baby, it's okay. 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 Sorry. And look at the note written. The mother said we shouldn't bother looking for her. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
My love, you have a point there. But as it stands now, we have to get a maid.
What?
Yes.
Sorry.
Sorry, Papa. Yeah, come there. So let me just go and take the child.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, baby. Sorry.
If I offended you, please forgive me. Please, Ido. orphan. Please forgive me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you? What are you doing here? And how may I help you?
Hi. My name is Ozioma, and this signpost is what attracted me. You're looking for a nanny.
Please, I'm not looking for a nanny. Now my madam, they look for a nanny. Relax.
Okay.
Ozioma, Abi?
Yes, Ozioma.
Let me go and inform my madam.
Okay. Oh, please, I beg you, just help me and make her accept, please. I'm not even sure if my baby has eaten since yesterday. Please, God, I beg you, please.
No. When they say what God cannot do does not exist, you think it's a joke? It's not. I have seen with my own eyes. I'm telling you the truth. Do you know my husband was so surprised? He was shocked when we saw that baby beside our gate. I was wondering who kept this child here. Nobody. And I lifted the baby up. I saw a note underneath the wrapper. It says, please take care of the baby. Don't look for me. Poor orphan. I'm not joking. My dear, I am not joking. Hey! As it stands now, we are looking for a nanny. A house help. I'm telling you the truth. My dear, God has answered our prayer. He has wiped my tears.
Okay. Alright. So what is it? Ma, there is one girl at the gate. She says she saw the notice at the gate. And she's interested.
Bring her in.
I should bring her in. Okay, thank you.
Hear the poor orphan who has no one to speak for her, who has no one to fight for her. She's crying.
Thank you.
Okay, relax now. So now, okay. Why you? You not going to get you. No what?
Anyone I offended,
Mom. There she is.
Good day, ma.
Good day. You can go now. Okay. Who are you and what can I do for you?
My name is Ozioma, ma. I saw the notice on the gate, so I knocked. The gate man opened the gate for me. I asked him, I'm looking for a job. I want to be a nanny. I want to work here.
You say your name is Ozioma, right?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay. I would have to get my husband. He's inside. When he comes, we'll discuss about it.
Okay, ma.
Honey? My love? Honey? Honey?
my predicament. There is no more joy in me, because nothing gives me joy again. Oh, father to fatherless.
Who's that?
Don't worry, I'll go get it though.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Jesse.
Johnson.
Abuna. What's up, man? What is it?
I'm good.
Abuna, I'll get in now. Talk to me.
Who she?
Oh, you mean Tessie? Nolani now. Nolani, sit down. Sit down. See that girl. That's the girl I told you my mother introduced to me. From the village. The village girl. Her name is Tessie. What is it?
Daisy, a village girl.
Do you know her before?
Wonders, they say, will never end.
What's going on?
Johnson, that girl, Daisy will know the
How? The both of you know each other before now.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna calm down. Daisy is the same girl I told you I was dating way back in Owerri before I moved down to Asaba. She is the same girl I was planning to marry. Although I later brought her into my house to stay with me for some days. Not until information started coming in from my neighbors that she usually brings men into my house to sleep with them when I'm off to work. At first, I never believed my neighbors. One day, my neighbors and I, we all planned it out. I pretended to have been traveling. Then I left the house. After an hour, I returned back to the house. I caught her red-handed with another man in my house. Both of them were naked on my bed.
It's a lie. Gentlemen.
They were naked.
Why would my mother brought her only to marry?
Why? That.
Well, are you sure of what you just told me?
Well, then why did she run away?
Chelo?
No, that's it. Johnson!
It's not your way.
That's it!
Come on!
Young lady,
Yes, sir.
what is that your name again?
Ozioma, sir.
Ozio. So why would a beautiful girl like you choose to do the job of a household?
Sir, it's just that my parents, they are very, very sick, especially my mom. She has stroke and I'm the only child. So I try to get a job, get paid so I can assist in the family. That's why.
The only reason I will employ you in this house is just because of our child. My wife gave birth a few months ago. So your only duty in this house is to take care of our child. She's resuming work very soon, so she has stopped breastfeeding the baby. So, can you take very good care of our child?
Yes, sir, I can. I am going to take very good care of your child for you. I'll take care of your child more than you expect. I can.
Honey? What do you think?
Well, you said it all. I do not have any other thing to say except to ask you one sincere question. Do you say you take care of my child well?
Yes, ma. I am going to take very good care of your child for you.
I do not play with my son.
I know. I'm going to take care of your son for you.
Thank you, my son. You can resume work tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
It's
Thank you,
okay.
ma. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. My regards, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
She looks like a good girl.
Is she? And my love, why is a beautiful girl like you coming to do the job of a maid? What is so beautiful about her?
Honey, come on, stop being unnecessarily jealous here.
I'm not joking, I'm talking to you.
Honey, come on, stop that.
You're my husband, I do not want to share. I don't joke. No, you know right.
You're not sharing with me. You're not.
And stop all those with oh, beautiful, excuse you, me.
Why are both of you back to the village looking this angle?
Ma, this animal that you brought to my house to marry. When you brought her to my house, I said I am not going to marry her. Mama, you were forcing me. Now, I've brought her back to you because I cannot condone this animal. This girl is evil.
Hey, young man, see, I brought her to you because I know she is a village girl, so that you can train her up to your standard.
Wait, village girl, this one? Train who? This one. Anyokia. When you're a village girl, this one standing here that knows all the nook and cranny of the evil ways, more than the evil himself. When you're able to do more time.
So tell me, what did she do?
Mama, ask her. Ask her what she did. She's standing here before you. Ask this girl who she really is.
What did my daughter come? What did you do? Why did he bring you back? Look at more. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the stuffs I bought for my son. It's diapers, milk, and food. Please, I want to beg you. This is a plea. Feed my son right. Feed my child well. I want my son looking healthy and, chubby, like a child born into plenty. You know what that means? It's not to suffer. So please feed my son right. Feed him well. Every 1 hour, you give him food. Even when he's not hungry, force him to eat. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Very clear.
Are we clear?
Yes.
Thank you. I don't want you to see the other side of me. You will not like it. Do you understand me? Thank you. Please take them inside.
Okay. Okay, my baby. Mommy is here. I know you must be very, very hungry. Let me feed her, okay? Sorry. I'm on it. Okay? Sorry. Okay.
Osioma! Osioma!
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma.
Thank you. How is my son?
He's fine. He's inside.
Oh, really? Fine. Please take my bag inside and bring my son for me.
Okay.
Thank you. To my room, please. My boy, that is Junior. Papa, my Papa is here. My Papa is here. Oh, you look so good. Hope you fed him well.
Yes, I did.
Oh, good. Thank you. Papa, you can go now.
Okay.
My Papa, you. My Papa, you. Oh, no. Papa. My Papa, Gideon. You look so good. You smell nice. Give mommy a kiss, Papa. No way. No way. No, wait. Come on. Come stay here with Mama. My dear. Hey, the joy in my heart, the happiness in my being, in my soul, my sister. Hey, I used to hear that God can do all things, but like this one, it has happened to me, my dear. God has shocked me in the most unbelievable way. Do you know, I used to say, God, when I want to have my own child, I have drank all the concoction, I've eaten everything, he just to conceive. God said, my child, take it. He gave me plus a bonus, my sister. Hey. I'm telling you.
My dear, do you know all this thing you've been saying sounds like a dream to me? Can such thing really happen?
Yes! Oh my God, life. My eyes like this have seen it. My eyes have behold the goodness of God in this my life. God has been so great in my life, my sister. Oh my God, He has done it for me, all my tears. He cleaned everything. Just plumb like this. I'm telling you.
So happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey, what about the house girl? How is she taking care of the child?
She's trying though, for now. She's doing well. But you know, people are changing. She change like weather. But don't change here, straight. But for now, she's trying. She's doing well. She's trying.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
Please ask me.
What about if tomorrow? Huh? Never mind.
No mind. What is if tomorrow? Never mind. Why are you making me confused? Just ask me the question.
No, don't worry. It's okay.
Yes, who is it?
It's me. Open the door.
Okay. I'm coming, please. I'm coming, no, please.
What kept you so long to open the door?
I was making food for the baby.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
That's good. Okay, let's go.
Sorry.
Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. This is the part with that food. I think he's hungry. Look at his fingers and his mouth. I don't like it.
No problem.
Papa. My Papa, really. Hey, Papa. Okay, once you're done feeding him, you bring him downstairs to me, and then you go to the kitchen to make dinner. Is that okay?
No problem.
All
I'll
right.
do just that.
My Papa, look at your tum. Mama loves you. I love you. Mama love you. What's that? What's a tiny bum bum? The tiny bum bum. Hey, Papa Didi. I love you. Mwah. 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 Do the fast, okay?
All right, ma.
Papa. Eat Papa.
Ma, you called me.
Yes. Please get me all the baby food. I want to check what is left so I know when to go to the market to get me one.
You said I should.
Are you daft?
No, ma.
Are you deaf?
No, ma.
Are you sick?
No, ma.
I said get me the baby food. I want to check what is left to know when to go to get new ones.
Okay. Okay.
Open it.
Okay.
What's your mama?
Ma.
I don't understand. I got this food 3 weeks ago and they're untouched. Why? Haven't you been feeding my child?
I have.
So what do you feed him with? Are you mad?
No, ma.
Ask them what I feed my child with!
Baby food.
Which one? From heaven, which one? Is it the baby food? Did you manufacture them with your bum bum? I want to know now. Oh! Okay, you were sent to come and kill my child, right?
No.
To starve him to death, right?
No, ma.
I'm asking you.
No.
So you starve my child to death, right?
No.
No,
ma. No.
Are you crazy?
I feed the baby.
Shut up! Shut up!
What's going on? Take it easy.
I know. Can you imagine this unfortunate idiot? This fool! Can you imagine? I'll make you understand. Look at it. Look at it. I bought this food 3 weeks ago. 3 good weeks now, and this food is untouched. Let me ask this fool what she feeds my child with. Ask her for me.
Ozioma,
Sir?
why are you starving our son? Because obviously, this baby food is not touched.
Sir, I'm not starving him. I just, please just believe me. I feed him.
Feed him with what?
Please.
With your life? No, I'm asking you, feed him with what? Oh, wait, let me ask you. Can you get pregnant? You get more one? Do you know the pains of carrying a child for 9 months and breastfeed? How? So you were saying,
I have not carried any pain. I don't know the pain. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Sweetheart, I will obey you because it's just the first time. Listen to me very well. Hold your ears. I'll give you a stern warning. This is the last, first, ever in your life that such would happen again.
Okay.
If this happens again, I swear down, your job here is done. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Get out!
Yes.
Hey! Move back and put this thing.
Thank you.
Unfortunate fool. If my son falls sick, I will drain you and kill you. Idiot.
Honey?
Being a mother is a gift. Don't even try me again.
Honey, calm down. Honey? Come to think of it, our son looks so healthy. And I've never for once had him cry of hunger in this house.
So, my love, what do you mean by that?
What I mean is that our son might not be the type that like eating food so much. Yeah, baby. Are you okay?
My love, I'm worried.
Worried about what?
Flora. Baby, I told you something the last time, right? That I went to her house and then we were discussing and she was talking. The next thing she wants to say something about her son and she stopped. I tried my best to make her talk, but she refused to talk. I can't fathom. There's something not just okay. I don't know.
Yeah, I remembered. I remembered about you talking about that some time ago, but what has it got to do with us?
Maybe I just feel there's something not okay. I feel she has a plan towards her son. I don't know. It's a feeling though, but it's so strong. I don't know. Okay, maybe let me ask you this question now. What if after training this our son Junior to a particular height, giving him the best life, and all of a sudden the mother, father, anybody just comes and say they want a child? What are we going to do?
I think you have a very valid point here.
Of course.
So, what do you advise we should do?
My love, if you ask me sincerely, I would say we just leave this place, leave this house, get a new place, far away from people that knows us and our story, get to a new place where nobody knows our story, and stay there. Even Flora, she would not even know where we are staying. And thank God she doesn't know where I came from. Here that we are friends in the city. Nothing more.
What about Ozion?
Come on, my love now. She's our maid. She doesn't know anything about us or our son. We'll go with her. We will go with her.
What about this house?
Baby, sell it off now. People will buy it ASAP. It's a very fine and cozy house. They will buy it ASAP. Just sell it off. Let's go somewhere else, please, my love. I beg you.
All right, give me like 2 weeks. 2 weeks to come up with my plans. Then I'll quickly look for a buyer. A buyer.
Thank you, house for us. Thank you, my love. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you for being so intentional about me. Thank you.
Anything for you that I will do.
I know.
Anything that will put a smile on your face.
Thank you, man.
I love you, okay?
What a day. Ooh. Oh. Ozioma! Ozioma!
Yes, ma. Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma.
Thank you. How is my son?
He's in the room. He just finished it.
Oh, please bring my son to me. Thank you.
Can I have
Just take my shoes to my room.
Okay.
And you can just keep this too. My papa! My papa, come to mommy. Come, Papa, come. Come. It's your money. Come.
My clothes.
Papa.
Madam, sorry. Madam, I think he's not in a very good mood. Let me just carry him and then get you the water. I don't mind.
Okay.
Yes.
Just get the water.
Okay, ma. Bobo!
The water, please. And some ice.
Okay, ma.
No, you're not dreaming. This is me. Sorry. So when did you come to the city? Well, it hasn't been long I came, but the thing is, I'm here now. Wow, good to see you. So happy, my sister. Wow. So how have things been going? Like, well, you know, things hasn't been okay, but the issue now is that I'm here. That's the main thing. I'm so happy and you're looking good. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God, just tell me about it and how it happened, everything that I need to know. Wow. Well, you want to know, right?
What is going on? Where could you be? I went to their house and I met another occupant who said they bought the house from the owner. I've been trying to reach out to her. I've been trying to reach out to her. Does that mean you're traveling on a sea?
That is how everything went with me. You know, it's really been horrible here in the city. I sold my phone just to have money at hand. I lost contact. I even lost yours because I sold my SIM card as well.
You've really gone through a lot. Like, so you mean you are now working as a house girl in someone's house for your own baby, and they are not aware that you are the baby's mother?
They are not aware.
Ha! Wonders shall never end. So how have they been treating you? Tell me.
Well, I would say the family is nice. Oh, the oga is very, very nice. My oga is very, very nice. But the wife, she's a no-go area. She's fire. I mean, when I say fire, I mean fire. I just pity the man. They are childless. You know, I just wish from my heart maybe there's a solution. You know, I can just off-profile a solution for them. But I don't have it.
You know, I think I have a solution.
You have a solution?
Let's just try and know if it will work out.
You have a solution? Tell me now. Please tell me, I'm interested.
You know, there's this uncle of mine from my mother's side. I've been having this problem for 15 years now. But when my brother doctor graduated from the medical school, he invited them over and looked into their case. But today now, they have 3 cases. And the wife is pregnant for the 4th one.
You don't say.
So I think we should talk to them about it. Let's know if it will work out for them.
Ha! This is a very good idea. Amaka, there's a problem.
What's the problem?
The thing is, I don't know how I'm going to relate this issue to them. My oga can listen to me. He's the easygoing person. But my madam, no. So I really don't know how I'm going to pass this information or tell them that there's a solution. I don't know.
Hence it's like that. You know what? Talk to your oga. Talk to the husband. He will then talk to the wife.
Yeah.
Yes. I think that would be better.
Okay.
So now tell me about everything, how things have been going.
Amaka, you know everything I've told you you've listened to are just what has been happening to me. But now I have seen you. I am good. I am very good.
Tell me more. I need to know more. You know, I've missed you.
There is nothing else to say. You want to know if I have somebody? I don't have. I'm taking care of my baby. That's the only thing I'm interested in.
Are you serious?
Amaka.
Sir, there is something I want to discuss with you.
Alright. Go ahead.
Okay. Please, sir, I'm sorry. I don't want you to see this anyhow. It's from a very clean mind, a very good mind. I've been observing some things in the house. Ever since I came to live with your family, I noticed that it took you a while before you gave birth to Junior. And as it is now, Junior is of age to have a little one. So, please, sir, is there a problem? I'm sorry to ask you.
No, Zioma.
Sir?
It's a long story. It has not been easy.
I am so sorry to hear that. But please permit me, sir, to tell you this. I know of a couple. They have lived together for 15 years. No children. But now, they have 3 kids. 3 kids! And the wife is currently pregnant. That was after they went to see a particular doctor. You know, the doctor helped them. So, my suggestion is, you and Madam can actually visit this doctor I'm talking about.
Thanks for your concern. I will discuss this with my wife when she comes back.
Okay, no problem. But sir, please know that if I am not sure about this doctor, I will not bring this discussion to you. This suggestion, I will cancel it. So I'm very sure.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Do you need me to get you anything?
No. Please. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Please, let me ask you one very sincere question. How did I get her? She knows so much. Who told her? How come she was saying all those things? How did she know? How?
Well, from her calculation and explanation, she was correct. If you ask of my candid opinion, I would say let's give her a listening ear. Let's allow her direct us to the doctor. Who knows? God may actually answer her prayers through her.
Sincerely, I am not comfortable with this arrangement, this new arrangement and your idea, Kuma idea. I am not comfortable at all. Because tell me, a maid, a common maid, what can come out of her? What good can she even do? Nothing. A common maid.
Honey, I do not like that language. Addressing someone as common maid. She's a human being just like you and I. Alright, let's say this way. What if, at the end of the day, we finally get a solution from that girl you called a common. We used to all have on.
How have you? Fine. It's fine. Talk to her. I'll read with her. Set to do whatever. Just do things for her. It's fine.
Mr. and Mrs. Paulson, I've gone through your lab results. Your case is not serious. The only problem is that your wife's fallopian tube is blocked and need to be flushed out so that she can conceive. But I must let you know this. Due to your wife's age, she only has 1 or 2 chances, which means she can only have 1 or 2 kids. Because sooner or later, she will enter into menopause.
Doctor, if I understand you perfectly well, are you trying to say that my wife can actually conceive and bear her own children?
Yes. Once I treat her, she'll get pregnant.
Doctor, are you sure about this?
Madam, I do not make mouths, but this is my profession.
Alright, it's okay, doctor. So, doctor, how much will it cost? Don't even bother. Just let me know your bill and I will foot the bill.
Then let's go ahead.
Sir, how did it go?
Let me say it went well. Your brother assured us that my wife will conceive again. Though he asked us to wait here, that he's coming to commence treatment.
Good. You don't need to worry. He can do it. He's a professional.
Right?
Just have faith. Let me go and see him in his office.
Okay.
Throw it, baby. Good. Okay. Take. Okay. Take it. Wow.
Good day, sir.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine. Good day, ma. Did you see the doctor?
Yeah, I did. I saw him. How are you? He gave us hope.
That's very beautiful.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Sorry.
Get out of the girl.
Honey, she's only trying to help us. No need to shout at her that way. Babe. You want to pick it? Pick it! Alright, stay here. Play with it. Let me get it. Alright, don't worry. Let me pick it. Let me pick it. That's what I want. Good.
Mr. Paulson, congratulations.
Congratulations on what?
You are 3 weeks pregnant.
I don't understand. What are you saying? Like pregnant? Who is pregnant?
Doctor, please, can you explain to us? My wife.
She is 3 weeks pregnant. And once again, congratulations.
What was serious?
Pregnant?
Who?
Doctor.
Me?
Hey! Honey?
I'm pregnant!
Thank you so much, sir. You really spent huge amount of money shopping for me. I really appreciate, sir.
I know, it's okay. You see, the pleasure is mine. You see, you wouldn't know what you've done for me by introducing me to your medical doctor brother. You've done so noble. Today, you've put a smile on my face and my wife's face after years of barrenness. So I will say thank you very much.
Oh, no, sir. It's the Lord's doing. Thank you so much. I'll be on my way.
It's okay.
Bye.
Bye. Easy. Thank you.
Bye.
Some people will come in your life, pretending to love you.
Sir, thank you so much. I've seen the clothes there.
Just because they need
Thank you.
Yeah, that is to appreciate you and Amaka. What you people do for us by taking us to the medical doctor that finally put a smile on our faces. Thank you very much.
Someone that should be saying thank you. Thank you. This is too much.
Not too much compared to what you do with it for us. Ozioma, my wife shouldn't know that I bought this clothes for you. As a matter of fact, she shouldn't see them. Else, she will mad at me. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir. You made yourself clear, but can I give some of this to Amaka?
No. I have taken care of that.
Sir? So you bought for Amaka too?
Yes, as a matter of fact, I took her to the PPT for this clothes. It's the one that selected.
Thank you. I'm not surprised. Amaka knows what I like. Thank you so much, sir.
Please don't forget what she did about it.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Please, microwave some chicken for me, okay?
Okay, sir. I'll do just that. Look at me. I said you should read ABC and recite 36 states and capital. Why are you holding me? What kind of school are you going to? Junior, look at me. Look at me. I'm talking to you. Junior, kneel down. That's what I want. Kneel down very well. Good. Look at me here. I said recite ABCD and 36. I'm talking to you. Recite 36 states and capital. I'm telling you. You want to cry? You will cry. I'm not told you want to cry. Junior, I'm telling you to look at me. I don't understand what you're doing. You read ABCD. That's what I'm saying you should do. ABCD. Can't you get it? Junior, just recite it for me. Look at me. You need to look at me, please. You are crying. Leave me alone, please. Leave me. Kneel down like that. What's the problem? Junior, recite it. You are crying. I'm not even talking.
Junior, what is it? What is it?
Just imagine.
What is it? Imagine what?
I've been asking Junior to recite ABCD and 36 states and capital, and he has refused. I wonder what kind of school he goes to. Eh? That's what I've been doing, you Junior.
Are you mad? Are you mad? What to recite what? My son to recite what? Eh? At what age? You open your mouth, your useless and forgetful mouth to ask my son at what to recite what? ABC what and what and what? Are you mad? Are you mad? Recite no. Recite it. Recite it. Recite what? Recite what? Recite what? This boy of this age to recite ABC and talk about Papa Geba. You are mad. You are mad. You are mad. Oh! This is my son now. This is my look at his skin. You want his skin. You want to say everything. You are stupid. If you try it again, I will kill you. I will pour you acid. I'm not about it. You are not mad. If you marry your own, if I thought you can marry, or if I thought you can even get pregnant because your womb is finished, this womb is all go dry, all go shrink. You can't have a child in your life. You die. If I thought you do, get hammer, get spanner, get truck and kill your child. Not my own. If you want also, I will kill you.
Madam, but I don't understand why you're telling me why you're so. This boy is under my care. Junior is under my care, and you said I should train him. That's what I'm doing. I wonder the kind of school he's going to. He cannot even recite ABCD, 36 states and capital. And I'm in future now. If he begins to misbehave, what you will say? All of you will come and tell me I did not
punish you. My God will punish you. God will punish you and disgrace you. Devil will eat you up. You are mad. You are mad. See. Let me warn you for the last time. If you try it again in your life, this is my son. I don't joke with him. I'll kill him.
That lead you to nowhere. This world is deep. No one knows tomorrow. Retrace your steps. Stop laughing at people in their present condition. And we're on your imagining you know what tomorrow is pregnant. This world is deep. This world is deep. No one knows. No one knows.
I do not like what's happening now. What is the meaning of that? I do not like the way you flog that girl in presence of our son. What exactly do you want? Uzoha is training our child the way he's supposed to be. What exactly do you want that she is not giving to you? What is it? You couldn't even respect me in her presence and you're just treating her as if she's a nobody. Let me tell you one thing you need to know. That you're happy today is because of that girl, her presence in our family. That carrying this pregnancy is because of her presence in this family. Have you lost it? Let it be the first and last time you will do such thing. Enough is enough.
No, you must support her now. Where are you going to, sir? Stand here, sir. Sorry, sir. With all due respect. You will support her. Why won't you? You should know your side hen, your side chicken, your side goat, your side crayfish, and panla, and dry fish, and pomo. Yes, ma. That is it. But Nakangwa, please warn your side food. Let her not try what she did today next time. Nala, she's not mad. She's my son. Yeah, I'm not laughing with my baby. Let her not lie. Since she was born, this kind of skin pneumonia, she cannot have it now. See, I will not want to do. I will kill her and give her a corpse to eat. She's not mad. One her, one wire.
Give her go ahead to train this child the way it's supposed to be. If you are not okay with it, quit your job, come back home and train him.
No, I'm not arguing with you, sir. You have given her go ahead as CEO to do what to my child. To the point of making my son kneel down, like on the floor, to read ABC and capital letter. God will punish her. She will not see good. She will die from her. She's crazy. She's mad. Please, warn her for me. That is pure child abuse. My son is too small for something. But I did not give her the cane of my son in her hand. She don't take the game. Please.
The Bible says, train a child the way it's supposed to be, and so when he grows up, he will not depart from it. I won't warn you again.
She will train him from the placenta. Let her break her come and ask her come and read ABC because she's mad. Placenta training, teacher, Cambridge, child abuse. The Bible says, do not kill a child. No give moya. Bible says. Come watch your son. I will pour acid on one naked. She's not mad. Sorry, my son. Sorry. I'm not angry. Oh, Daddy, I'm not angry. I'm just saying, anybody that wants to kill you will die first. You can't, my son. I'm your mother. If they beat you, tell me. I will beat her and destroy her. You know? Just go to her. Your mother is here. I go. Nothing will do you. She's crazy. She can't write. Read ABC. Let her read ABC and let us kill her there. She's stupid. You are my son. I'm your mother. Nothing can harm you. Okay? I love you, my child. Don't mind her. ABCD. Read her there.
I don't know why you're crying, but if I leave you again, you will follow me. Why are you crying now? Stop, please. Just stop crying. Stop it. Stop it now, eh? What, madam?
Madam, what? What's madam?
Where's
my son crying?
I don't know. I'm just washing and I left it.
You, I what? I what? You were sent to come and frustrate my child here, right? Hey. What's hey? What's hey?
Madam,
what will punish you?
Hey, madam.
I have 3 washing machines, spinner, dryer, washer, everything is here. You refuse. You not tell me now awful. You are sent, Abi.
Madam, why are you shouting now? I'm telling you that I left Junior inside, but he refused. He's here. He's even to. It's more time he will take.
Okay, I'm not mad, Abi. I'm not mad, Abi. I'm mad now. Yeah, what's your job? Bad message. What's your job? Cost Ozzy. Mind yourself. Mind yourself. You are crying. You are stressing me. Don't frustrate me. I will frustrate you back. I will frustrate. Hey, happen one more. Happen one more. Let's go. Let's go. What is that?
Junior, follow her now. Follow her. You want her to beat me? Follow her now. Madam, you see, he doesn't want to follow you. I don't understand you. You're here sitting, you're doing like this. Follow her and go now. What's wrong with you?
Let me tell you, that's the man that cooked this thing for you, that concoction, that charm they've cooked for you, wherever you came from. Tell them that I'm a charm breaker. Now, do you hear me? I will disgrace you. I will frustrate you. Idiots, useless thing. You, get out there.
Shay, you have seen you now. You see what you're causing now. Eh? Don't do that thing, no. I don't understand. Junior, you want her to come back here? I can't carry you now. Stop it. Oya, please come. Junior, I don't like what you're doing now. This is not nice. Sorry.
Honey, it's enough. Like, I cannot take this anymore. This has to stop. I cannot fathom. In fact, I can't take it anymore. Can you imagine? I went to the backyard to look for this Junior. Lo and behold, I saw her with my son, Junior. Junior was, I don't understand, she was washing and telling my son how to wash his dirty dresses. How? Who does that? That's unfortunate idiot. I pay her in this house every day. What do I pay you for? To wash and take care of my son. Why are you putting my son under such perpetual suffering? Are you crazy? Who does that? I can't take it anymore. Please talk to her. If not, I will ask her to just leave my house. In peace. Biko, speak to her. I can't take it anymore. It's enough. Like it's enough.
Honey, it's okay. Calm down. I will talk to her. By the way, where is Junior?
He's at the backyard. Baby, can you imagine? I told Junior, let's go. He was staring at me. Let's go. He was staring at me. He didn't come with me.
Hey.
And why are you laughing? What's so funny?
Can't you see the young man is already enjoying the training? Why are you bothering him? Just let them be.
I will not let them be. And it will not happen in this house. She is biting more than... In fact, what am I saying? It's enough. She has done enough. It is okay. I am done with her. Let her leave my house. She's sacked.
And can I advise? Ozioma came to this house when that young man was barely a few months old. He grew up under the tutelage of Ozioma. More reason they are born there the way they are. Let them be. If you fire Ozioma and bring in a total stranger to look after her son, I bet you they will never born, because that total stranger has never been there from the onset. So please, I am begging you, let them be. Okay?
Maybe. What were you expecting more? Why? What were you nothing? I'm not surprised. Is it not you again? I thought you were going to help me. You're such a stupid girl. What are you expecting? You can never change. I'm not surprised. Ah!
Sorry.
Don't be rubbing her waist. Her waist. Sorry, ma. Sorry. Sorry, easy. That her waist is the main thing. Sorry, ma. No, you don't need to. Just manage, please. Sorry. Sorry, Madam, sorry. Just open the gate.
Open the gate.
Sorry. Can't you open the gate? Look at you. Sorry. Madam, sorry. Please, easy. Madam, you are heavy. You can carry yourself. Sorry. Sorry, madam.
Sorry.
Sorry, I'm here. Sorry. Easy. Oga, rub the waist. Please, it's the waist. Okay. That's the main thing.
Sorry, I'm rubbing it.
Hey!
Sorry. Sorry. Madam, hold it down. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, it's your hand that is better in this thing. Madam, alright. Sorry. Sorry. Hey, good man. Okay, take it. Madam, sorry, yeah? Sorry.
How's my wife? How's her condition?
Congratulations. Your wife has been delivered of a baby girl.
Hey! Yes! I'm sorry. So, how's my wife?
Perfectly okay.
And how's my daughter?
She's perfectly okay too.
Yeah, so can I see them?
Sure, but you have to wait for my nurse to take you to the ward.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're a father now.
I'm a father. I'm a father now. I'm a father. I'm a father. He said I am a father now. He said I am a father. I am a father. Yes, I am a father now.
Hello, ma. I'm just leaving the supermarket now. No, from here I'm going to pick the kids from school. Okay, no problem. All right.
Hello. Excuse me.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please, how may I help you?
Sorry for bothering you. My name is Mr. Johnson.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, what can I do for you?
Nothing really. I overheard you talking to your mom on the phone, and I
Sorry, that's not my mom. That's my madam.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, what's your name?
Not necessary. Any other thing, sir?
I just wish to know you, you know? I mean, can I call you on the phone and all that?
I don't understand. Who is calling by this time of the night? Hello? Who is this, please? Johnson. Which Johnson, please? The one I met at the supermarket. Please, what can I... You want us to see? Oga, I've told you that I live with my madam and my Oga. What is the problem? I work from morning till night. I don't have time. I cannot come and see you. I can't come out. I told you this before. Please stop disturbing me, Abes. You just stop disturbing me. Don't call me by this time. In fact, don't call my number again. What's wrong with you? I want us to see. What am I going to tell my mother? I'm going to see Mr. Johnson and later at the supermarket.
I don't understand you. I think, why are you talking this way? Tell me, what is so special about this girl you were talking about? Because it is my first time seeing you being so serious about a girl.
Everything. But when everything is special about this girl. This girl is so beautiful. Yet, she's serving someone. She's serving someone. She's working as a maid in someone's house. And also going into school to bring back these women's kids from school. Doing all the house chores. Can you imagine such a girl? There is something special about that girl.
This is serious. My friend is in love. Yeah, come to think of it. You talked about the madam. Is she her sister or her sister-in-law?
I don't know. But whatever she is, all I know is that there's something so special about that girl.
Chelsea. Well, it's all good. Yeah, tell me, how do you intend to do this? Since you don't know where she lives or where she comes out from, and even anywhere to meet her around, or...
We're in this town, okay? So let's see how it goes. Cheers.
Well,
to my
love. Love in the air.
Wing sing me chow chow.
Just in case. Stop.
Daddy! Daddy!
How are you? Alright, let's get your ball. Careful, easy.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's the problem? You look so moody.
Junior, take your sister. You guys should go inside.
Please don't scatter anything, no. Junior, did you hear what I said? Take your sister, go in.
Sir, I am worried about you. I'm really, really worried about you because you're a good man.
Worried about me?
Yes, sir.
What for?
Sir, you just don't need one son. You need sons. You know, you need sons. Sons. Not just one.
But I already have a son.
Sir, I know that one is not enough. A man of your caliber needs sons. Not one. Sons. In case, you know, anything happens. Sir, sons. So that this one, you understand what I'm saying. Get about it. Excuse me, sir.
What does this girl mean by what she said? I must find out. She must make it clear to me.
Sir, your wife's to see me.
Yeah. Sit. Sit.
Sir?
I said, sit. Now that my wife has gone to work, and the kids gone to school, I want you to calmly explain to me the meaning of that thing you said yesterday.
Sir, what I said yesterday was very, very clear to understand. It was very simple to understand. It's just that, how can a man of your caliber have just one male child? Just one male child. It's very risky.
What are you trying to say?
I'm saying that having just one male child is not okay. What if somehow, somewhere, something happens and that child goes to heaven? What would the man do? So, I'm suggesting that it's either you adopt a baby or you just try and get another. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
Ozioma,
Sir?
are you in a nutshell advising me to get another wife or something?
Well, sir, I I see you as a very wise man. Very, very wise man. So I'm sure you understand, you can make sense out of it. You definitely understand.
You can go.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Ozema, how are you?
You, what are you doing here?
Ozema, I've been parking here waiting for you, knowing fully well that you will come and pick the children.
Are you being serious right now? Why are you even disturbing me over the phone? Why are you following me around? I told you that I'm living with somebody, my madam. Do you want her to chase me away?
Ozema, at least give me a listening ear. Give me a listening ear. Hear me out.
Why would I hear you out, please?
I mean well for you.
You mean well for me?
Listen, I can't give you what you're asking of me. I can't. Like, I'm just a house help. And if my madam finds out that I have something to do with a man, she's going to sack me, and I don't want that.
If they sack you, Ozema, or even throw you out of the house, I'll pick you. I'll clean you up. And I personally will start taking care of you. Because I'm equal to the task. Okay? Ozema, please give me a chance in your life. I want to transform your life and give you a better life. Okay, let me ask you, will you continue doing house girl in someone's house for the rest of your life? No. In this modern age, please give me this chance to change a lot of things about you. You know why I chose you among all the girls I've ever met? Because you're beautiful. You're industrious. You're intelligent. Please, just give me the chance to come into your life and transform it. Okay?
I hear you. I'm going to think about it. The kids are waiting for me inside the school. Let me go pick them up.
Yeah, I'll be here waiting for you guys. I'll drop you guys off.
Please, I don't want to bother you. You can just go, okay?
I am not complaining.
The secret is there. Only you knows the truth. There is no one else. The secret is there. You can't deny it. Only you knows the truth. But how long can you hide? How long can you hide this truth? How long can you hide the truth? How long? Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? Why can't you say it and free your mind? Stop hiding this truth. Why can't you speak it out? Just say it.
That guy you are talking about, by name Johnson, did you know him before?
Ha! Amaka, what kind of question is this now? I have told you everything that I know. How he met me at the supermarket and how he approached me when I went to pick the kids from school. That's everything I told you already.
Okay, now he has started disturbing you and following you around. What do you think? Because according to you, you said you told him you would think about it.
Amaka, sincerely, that is the problem. I am confused because everything is involved. I mean everything. My family background, myself, my son, especially my child. How am I supposed to tell him that I have a child? Amaka, sincerely, that love he's asking me for, I don't know if I can give it to him because when he finds out, what do you think will happen? Please, I'm not ready for any heartbreak. I'm not at all.
Well, you're right. I understand. But can I suggest something to you?
Yes, I'm listening. Suggest.
Like from the way you are talking about this guy, I think he's a nice person. Why don't you give him time to come close to you? And you take that time, study him. He might be a good match for you.
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, please, Amaka, no, I don't think this is a good advice.
Uzoma, I'm still talking to you.
Amaka, why are you behaving like you don't know this Johnson I'm talking about? The Johnson I told you about now. I just finished speaking with him and he asked me to come to his house. Amaka, I want to go. I want to go, but I'm scared. I want you to go with me. You know, you don't know anything can happen. So I just need somebody, a second person. I asked him if I can come with a friend and he said yes, that I can come with a friend. So I was even smiling. If I can say something now, why are you chopping? Are you coming? Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're a good friend. Thank you. Okay. Bye-bye.
The secret is there. Only you knows the truth. There is no one else. The secret is there. You can't deny it. Only you knows the truth.
Thank you so much. You're welcome to my house.
And this is Amaka, my friend, the girl I told you about.
Oh, really? That's fine. You're welcome to my house.
Thank you. Uzoma has told me a lot about you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really? That's fine. That's fine.
Please don't be offended if I ask you a question.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Do you really love my friend Uzoma the way you said? Like, not minding any condition?
Of course I do. If I don't, I wouldn't have invited you guys over to my house.
What's that? Are you aware that she's an ordinary house help in someone's house?
Of course I'm aware. I'm aware. You know, the very first time I set my eyes on her, in the supermarket, I think she was answering her call. I was like, wow. How could this beautiful lady stoop so low to be doing a house girl job in someone's house? Then I realized that she must be a very nice person, you know, and very hardworking. She's just my kind of girl.
I like that. That sounds like true love. Ozzy baby. You heard what he said. So what do you have to say?
I think he's a good guy.
It's okay, drink up.
Can you just stop? Huh? She didn't do anything bad. Besides, she didn't ask me to get another wife.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
Which of your friends did you go to see?
I went to see Amaka, the doctor's sister.
Of course. Of course, it's my pleasure. Who knows what you're planning this time, the both of you? You have the guts to tell my husband to go get another wife to come give him male children and female children. Like, how dare you? What's your business? What's your business? I'm asking you. Where are you here to destroy my home? What's your plan? Who sent you here?
Madam, please. I don't understand your anger. I don't understand why you're speaking to me in this tone. I only gave a simple advice. In fact, it was harmless. It's even going to benefit the both of you. I said, maybe, just adopt a male child or even children to help you. But madam, please, Since you don't like it, I am sorry. I'm very sorry, okay?
Have the guts to speak to me in such a manner. It's all thanks to you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Haha.
Listen. You should have allowed her to talk. At least, she should have explained what she meant. Should have listened to her and understand what she's talking about.
Understand what, sir? I'm asking you. Understand what exactly? What more? Nothing more. It is self-explanatory. Yes! Just call her as a munna. You go and marry your wife and then she will help you and collect list somewhere. Oh, case closed. Or maybe you can even marry her. Maybe that's the plan. Or even marry a friend who knows what you guys are cooking up. But your sense, oh, please, sir.
Enough of
Please, sir.
Enough. Can't you just appreciate something good? Without those your man, her friend, you wouldn't have given birth to a beautiful daughter. Let it be the end of the discussion.
We shall see.
Nine. You said you wanted to discuss something with me.
Sit down. I've been disturbed. I've been thinking on how to raise money and give to our son Onyego to start up a business. Since his master gave him that nonsense chicken change after serving him for 10 years. I need to give him some money to start up his own business. But my mind is scattered. I don't know where to start from.
Nine. God will punish that man. Imagine our son served him for a whole 10 years. What did he do? He rewarded him with a peanut. Not even up to rent a shop. Talk less of a house. Or even to buy goods to put in the shop. That man thinks he will put our family to shame, but it will not work. He thinks my son will not succeed without him. He lies. It's a very big lie. Our son must succeed. But tonight, you have to do something. You have to do something to wipe this shame.
That man really insulted me. He insulted me. Maybe he's thinking that I cannot do anything. Or I cannot give my son money to establish or to set up his business. But I will tell him that as we say, Bulegu Batana Mania, Yamara Baba, Yawubaw. I will make sure that my son start up his own business. I am thinking of selling one of my late brother's land and give our son the money to start up his business. Since my brother is dead, he doesn't have a male child, I'm not in position to inherit all his properties. Since Ozoma is nowhere to be found, whether she's alive or dead. But even if she's alive and come back, nothing will happen. She cannot do anything.
Nine.
Yes.
I like the sound of this. I like what I just heard. I never knew you had very good plans. At least our son will know that he has very caring parents. Thank you. Thank you. But Nanyo, what if Ozioma returns with that son? What if she's alive and she returns? What will happen?
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Ozioma is just a woman. She cannot do anything. All we should be thinking now is to how to raise this money and give to our son to start up his business so that we can happy, I will be happy, you will be happy.
Now I am happy. You know, I know that I married an intelligent man.
You're happy now.
But you being this intelligent at this age,
And that means you have to go inside and prepare the bed very well for tonight, Makana. Tonight, you got the
Please leave bed matter. Oh. Leave bed. You're old. You want your waist to break.
It was not going to be fire for fire. Okay.
Junior.
Yes, Auntie.
Junior, you wrote all this.
Yes, Auntie.
Junior! Do you know you're a very intelligent boy?
Yes, Auntie, because my teacher always tell me that.
Your teacher does? This is good, good. Junior, listen to me, right? I need you. Once you get into the university, I need you to be a lawyer. You will study law so that you become a lawyer. Nobody will humiliate or intimidate you. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes, now, if anybody fights you, you fight back because you know you're right. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Ah, my intelligent boy. Wow, 100 over 100. Junior. Oh, 95 over 100. I am still proud of you. You are a very intelligent boy. Give me 5 again. Junior, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Okay. Wow. The drink? Ozzy, baby. I know this might be the first time. Our friend. How you doing? This is fine. You're gonna Okay. We are going to cheers to this beautiful gathering. I wish us long life, peace, prosperity, more money, more life, more everything good we wish. Progress. Success. Cheers, 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 cheers. When I wear white, and I put equal together. Okay. The whole reason I called for this gathering is to do some vital introduction. Okay? Wuna, I want you to meet Ozioma, the girl I told you about. Very nice girl. A very beautiful girl. Good-hearted. Wow. Highly industrious. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ihu na-esi n'aka. Ilise tabilaka. You know. And this is best friend, Amaka. So this is one of my friend. You guys are welcome.
Thank you.
It is a pleasure meeting you both.
I must say it is a pleasure meeting both of you. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, to what my friend Johnson said, you know, he has said much about you girls, especially you, Ozioma. You are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Okay, let me go straight to the point. Amaka, you know the other day you asked me if I am ready to be with Ozioma no matter the condition. And I said yes, I'm ready no matter whatever. But right now, I want to prove it to her that I love her so much. Wow. So I ask you, Ozioma, are you serious? My beautiful angel. Wow!
Wow.
Oh, you marry me. Say yes.
Say no. I said
yes. Say yes, Ozioma.
Say yes, my baby.
Come on.
Say yes.
Come on.
No. Ozioma. See, Johnson. You know,
Just calm down. I'll talk to her. Maybe her reason is because your proposal came too early. I'll get back to you. Ozioma! Ozi!
Obunna, are you there?
Johnson, I am right behind you. Listen, just calm down. Take it easy, okay? You see, that girl is your wife. I know that.
Mano Magonson.
She will come
She just
back.
ran away.
She will come back. Just calm down. You've done what you're supposed to do. Okay? Just relax. Uzoma is your wife.
I am sorry. It's just that you won't understand.
Uzoma, what is there for me not to understand? Talk to me. I will understand.
Okay, I'm going to tell you, but promise me that you will not tell my madam and her husband.
I promise you I will not tell your madam and the husband.
Okay, even if you reject me after telling you the story, please, just promise you won't tell them.
I just promised you that I'm not going to tell anyone.
I have a child. After my parents died, my uncle and the wife, in fact, they were treating me very badly. So on this particular day, he said a whole lot to me. I stepped out of the house to clear my head. Then I met this kind man. He was really nice. And he accommodated me for days. I don't know. After a few months, I realized that I was pregnant for him. I went to him, I told him, and he was really happy. He was very, very happy. He promised to marry me and he said we should go out and celebrate.